Yeah, I think talagang konti-konti na nagigising yung ibang tao. Tapos syempre gusto nila ng magbabago. Kasi para rin sa mga anak nila yun eh. Syempre gusto nila ng magandang kinabukasan para sa mga anak. Ha? I think wala naman akong sinafollow na presidente o isang tao lang. Ang gusto ko lang talaga umulat yung mga tao dito. No? Hindi naman ako sinabi lahat sa sino presidente, sino politiko. Diba? I think pare-parehas tayo, gusto natin umulat. And I think yun yung pinaka-importante. Imbis na nakafocus tayo sa isang tao or kahit sinong tao man. Kasi tao lang din sila, di ba? Tulad mo, tao ka rin. So, yung nakakayanan mo, kakayanan mo na. Pwede na lang gawin, pwede mo rin gawin. Instead na focus tayo, dapat gusto natin umulan eh. Kasi sa totoo lang boss, may palag tayo, you know? Masipag mga Pilipino. Saka native tayo, maraming talentado dito. So, alam mo yun, may palag eh. Sayang yung potential. Boss, dito na ako. Basta. Ano yan? Salamat, boss! Dude, it's loud. People are angry. I think doon sila papunta. Let's go!
namin laban sa mali. Pangalawa, tanggihan po natin ang patronage politics, ang culture ng ayuda, at ang political dynasties. Pangatlo, maging tapat sa araw-araw. Huwag niyong kakalimutan ang integridad. Nagsisimula yan sa pamilya, sa classroom, sa trabaho, sa barangay, sa ating mga pamayanan. Mga kapatid, ang katiwalian, hindi lang yan tungkol sa perang ninakaw. Ito'y tungkol sa kinabukasan ninanakaw hanggang ngayon. Mga tahanang laging binabaha, kaligtasang sinisira, at mga oportunidad na nasasayang para sa mga anak natin. Kaya nananawagan kami sa mga mamambabatas. Huwag nating gawing lungga ng magnanakaw ang Senado at Kongreso. Nananawagan kami sa mga oversight bodies, mga taga-usig, bilis-bilisan naman ninyo ang investigasyon. At dapat hindi ang dapat manalo. Ang taong bayan ay naghahanap ng konkretong solusyon, hindi mga hukag na salita, hindi mga grandstanding.
Kuha na muna natin ng tamang angle. Alright! I hope that's okay. Anyway, so kakatapos ko lang i-edit yung video ng People Power, Trillion Peso March, to be specific. Nakiisa lang ako, you know. I just wanted to be there standing alongside these people who are tired, restless, heartbroken. Kasi if we think about it, ilang buhay na yung na-claim ng floods and yung mga ganyang disasters, which could have been prevented, I feel, kung merong proper controls in place, right? Obviously, we want a safe environment, a safe community for our children to grow up in. Diba? Siyempre, yun yung priority number one. Should be our priority number one. I feel like kasi yung next generation yung magmamana ng lupang to, tong bansang to. So, we should be doing our part in helping fulfill the full potential that this country has. And, you know, I was there nung una kong dating sa, I think sa Memorial Shrine, if I'm not mistaken, ako nababa sa may EDSA. And then, at that point, sobrang traffic na kasi dami ng mga taong naglalakad. And this was at around 1:30 p.m. So sabi ko doon, yep, baba na ako dito, and then I went up this footbridge and sobrang ibang energy agad yung naramdaman ko. It felt like a collective energy of a group of people na sawang-sawa na sa mga kalokohan. Because honestly, bro, we could be doing so much better, you know? And it's really good to see people finally waking up to that fact na, dudes, if we actually do not do anything about this, then things are just going to get worse. Staying silent, not having an opinion on this, that's not good enough. So, I feel it's important that we actually do our own research, hindi lang sa sabi-sabi ng ibang tao, or like kung ano lang, isang source lang ng media, for example. I feel like we should be doing our own research para may sarili tayong opinion about certain things. And we should have an opinion about these things because they concern us. They concern every single citizen in this country. And kung wala kang pakialam, then that's too bad. Pero for the majority of us that actually cares and gives a shit, then we should be, spreading that message na we need to do something because these people are literally robbing us, not only of our money, but of our future and the next generation's future. Ninanakawan sila ng mga pangarap, ninanakawan sila ng hopes, you know? Kaya ang daming mga tao dito na nag-give up na lang because, you know, it is what it is. Parang pakiramdam nila masyadong malakas yung kalaban, so why even bother trying? And I totally get that. That's why a lot of people go overseas. And others who stay here, parang naggulangan na lang sila, you know? I feel like there's I don't know, man, parang naglolokohan na lang silang lahat. Kasi they feel na ganito yung kalakaran, so I should be this way as well. But that's not right, man. Pag mali ang isang bagay, mali yun, you know? I understand though na mahirap mag-stand up to these things, but it's our duty as human beings to be standing up to these things. Otherwise, everything will be lost. Parang ganung vibes, diba? And we don't want that. I felt really hopeful kasi may ganung karaming tao. And sa ano lang yun, sa People Power Shrine. Nagkaroon din ng protests actually all over the country. Because people are sick of corruption, of their children being robbed of their futures. So they're finally starting to speak up, stand up and speak up. Because enough is enough. And to be honest with you guys, yung mga corrupt na politiko, yung mga malulokong taong nanlalamang ng kapwa nila, it wasn't going to last forever. Everything is gonna be coming down on you. And that's just how it is, man. So, I guess, na-enjoy nyo nung mga ilang dekada ng ganun. But things are starting to change. And, walang forever. Guys, let's understand this. Things can change. Mabilis magbago ang mundo. Kasi bilog to, di ba? Minsan sa baba ka, minsan sa taas. So, pero I feel like it's not too late for these corrupt people. Kasi they're still people, you know, human beings pa rin sila, and may kakayanan pa rin silang makinig sa angels nila, for example. Kasi like naalala ko sa cartoons, watching cartoons as a kid, may mga scenes doon na may angel and then may devil sa tabi ng mukha mo. Binubulungan ka kung anong dapat mong gawin. And that's real life. So depende talaga sa'yo kung saan ka makikinig, kung anong side, kaninong panig ang pakikinggan mo. Then yun yung magiging reality mo. Kung ano yung nilalagay mo sa utak mo, okay, this is fine, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna get away with it, nakikinig ka sa mga ganong temptations, then ganun yung gagawin mo. But if instead nakinig ka sa other side na what does this actually mean? Pag ginawa ko to, sino yung mga maapektuhan? Ano kayang mararamdaman nila? May mga masasaktan bang mga tao? Masisirang mga kalikasan? We have to be thinking about these things because this is where a lot of people live. This is home for 115 million people. You know, yung mga values na tinuro sa akin growing up, things that I learned, we should be standing up for what is good. That's what we teach our children, right? So I think it's about time that we actually start taking action. Parang ganun. Alam mo yun, like, start living it out. Wait lang. May makulit dito. Ooh, good girl. She peed on her pads. That's good girl. I don't know if you can see her. Tinitingnan niya kung may dala akong pagkain eh. Ooh, she's coming. Okay. Good girl. Yes. Good girl, Laila. She's getting big. She's looking good though. She is going into 4 months old. But she's a good girl. Makulit lang, of course. Right, Laila? Anyway, bras, I think all in all, it was a really good experience. Yung pagpunta ko dun sa Trillion Peso March, it was peaceful, at least when I was there. And nakita ko rin naman sa balita na relatively peaceful yung naging protest sa EDSA. Actually, majority of protests that happened all throughout the country were peaceful. And I really think that says a lot, you know. Because hindi naman natin necessarily kailangan idaan sa violence and stuff like that. Just like what happened in Indonesia and Nepal, and those were really unfortunate. It's sad that it had to come to that, you know. So anyway, dito so far, peaceful protests from the people, pero nagkaroon lang ng some breakouts of violence in Manila. I think ang nag-start nun are youths. Syempre, I understand they're angry and you know they have a lot of energy, so gusto nila ng pagbuhusan ng galit. It's sad, may mga nasaktan, you know. So next time we'll just try and stay calm, I think. Yeah, so I think I've pretty much said everything that I wanted to say about that experience. So yeah, there you go. If you're watching this and nag-resonate ka sa mga bagay na sinabi ko, then I feel like pakunti-kunti na yan. The momentum will start building, and then you're gonna start asking questions yourself. Questionin mo na yung mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo, and then magsa-start ka na mag-form ng sarili mong opinion, knowledge about these things, you know. And that'll be cool. Kasi I feel like these are the important things that people should actually be talking about. Anyway, ang lakas ng ulan dito past few days. A lot of blessings, pero marami ring nababaha. And that's sad. So, we shouldn't let this issue slide. Because if we do, then more people are going to die and more property are going to be damaged. It's just going to cause a lot more headache for everyone here. Anyway, I'll leave it there for you. Ano na naman kinakain mo? Lahat na lang kailangan ilagay sa kailangan ngat-ngatin. Oh, what is this? I'm gonna put it in my mouth, chew on it, taste it, spit it out, smell it, and then chew it again. That's nice. Dahon lang yan, so I'm not worried. It's a dried leaf. Yung mga gusto naman niyang i-munch, like whenever we take her out on walks, are leaves, dried leaves, and like sticks and wood and stuff like that. Nung nasa beach kami, she was munching on seaweed na nandun sa shore. It's really cute. Sino may muta? May muta. Let me get rid of that for you. Anyway, dudes, I'm gonna bounce. Time for a meal, I think. It's a well-earned meal. I think we're having kare-kare. Maybe I'll just have that on a separate video. Kasi masyado ng mix-mix yung mga sinasabi ko dito. Merong about kay Laila, merong about sa Pilipinas, and then magkakaroon pa ng kare-kare. That's too much, bro. Masyado nang mahaba yung video na yun, so I'll save that for the next one. Medyo maaraw na sisilaw ako, so I'm gonna put this down. See ya.